Welcome to our guide on how to install Python on your Windows computer. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the installation process. The first step is to download the Python installer from the official website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Python official website. Once you're on the Python website, click on the Downloads tab located in the top menu bar. You'll see various versions of Python available for download. For most users, the recommended version is the latest stable release, which should be prominently displayed on the page. As of the making of this video, it's Python 3.12.2. Click on the download button to begin downloading the installer. Once the installer has finished downloading, navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever you saved the file, and double-click on it to run the installer. You may see a security warning from Windows User Account Control asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed with the installation. The Python installer window will now open. Here, you'll see a checkbox labeled Add Python.exe to path. Make sure this checkbox is checked before proceeding. This option ensures that Python is added to the system path, allowing you to run Python commands from the command prompt or PowerShell. Once you've confirmed that the checkbox is checked, click on the Install Now button to begin the installation process. The installer will now copy the necessary files to your computer and set up Python. This process may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a screen confirming that Python has been successfully installed. You can now close the installer window. To verify that Python has been installed correctly, open the command prompt by pressing the Windows key, typing cmd, and pressing Enter. In the command prompt window, type Python version and press Enter. You should see the version number of Python displayed on the screen, confirming that Python has been installed successfully. You're now ready to start writing and running Python code. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye bye.